Namaste, myself Harjitji Paridwaj welcomes you to my channel. So today is 26th of January and India is celebrating its 71st of Republic Day. And today I will discuss about Republic Day and the term Republic, a short information about the writer of the Indian Constitution and the history of Indian national flag. But before going ahead, I want to say you something that if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe my channel and by pressing the bell icon, and please give us a thumbs up, please give a like for me. And so let's begin. 26th January, auspicious, a historical day for our Indian nation as we are celebrating as 71st Republic Day. In that day, we had our constitution that was written by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar as leader by the first president of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sarojini Naidu, and so on. As I have said earlier that I will say about the writer of the constitution, and he is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. So once he was waiting for his father at the railway station with his elder brother. Ambedkar was well dressed and no one could say that he was from lower caste. And here a question comes that what is caste, or we can say what is caste system. So let you know that caste system is a division of person on the basis of their caste. So he was waiting, sitting in a bench. Then the station master of the station came to take his inquiry, his address, and along with his he asked his name, the caste. But when Bhimrao Ambedkar said his name but not name, the caste, then the station master was shocked as he has seen that he is like a higher caste, upper caste. So after listening this, he started to ignoring him, and that ignored person, that lower caste person, become the writer of Indian Constitution. And today we are celebrating the Republic Day. But what is Republic? So let you know that Republic means the supreme power of the people, or we can say the public, to elect their own representatives by their votes in the elections as the political leaders to lead the country in the right direction. And I have said earlier that I will say the short history of the Indian national flag. So we can say that Indian national flag is changed, many over the time period, etc. Then I know the first was so in 1907. There was a meeting of International Socialist Congress. In that meeting, Vikasi Kama made his first flag. In that flag, there were three colors: orange, yellow, and green. The green color indicates the Muslim religion. The yellow color means in that yellow color it was written Vande Mataram in a Devanagari script, and the orange color represents the Hinduism and the Buddhism. In the flag, the orange color has the 8 lotus, and in the yellow color, as I have said earlier, that Vande Mataram was written in the Devanagari script, and in the green color there was a sign of sun in the left side, and against of it means the right. In the right side there was a sign of the moon, and this flag was made by not only one person, means not only particular Vikasi Kama, but there were in total 3 persons. So first is Vikasi Kama, as I said. Second is Veer Savarkar, and the third is Shyamji Krishna Verma. And secondly, during the Pune Swaraj in 1907, Srimati Annie Besant and Bal Gangadhar Tilak made another flag. In this flag, there were basically 2 colors, that was red and green. There was I think total 9 lines, means the 4 of green and the 5 of red. And then there were in the middle there were the 7 stars to commemorate the memories of Saptarishi, and in the top left side there was the sign of British before 1947. All Indians knows that there was British Kingdom, and then and on the against of that British sign there was a sun and the moon, but that flag that was made by Srimati Annie Besant and Bal Gangadhar Tilak was not got the such popularity that is needed, or you can say that today the flag we has it is very popular in the world, but in that time that much of popularity was not there. Again, third is we can say the third flag was when National Congress meeting was to be held, and the making of the flag was given the duty to Pingle Venkaya, and the duty was given by Mahatma Gandhi. So the Mahatma Gandhi ordered him that there should be mainly three colors. In the above there should be white, in the middle there should be green, and in the downwards there should be the color of red. And all three colors they have to be the sign of the charkha, or in Assamese, because I am from Assam. In Assamese it is known as jotor. We call it as jotor. So there should be the sign of charkha, and but this flag got very much popularity rather than the previous one. As I have said, is the flag of Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Srimati Annie Besant. But in I think 1931, there was a major change in the flag. Means we can say that in the above it has the orange color, in the middle it has the white color, and in the downwards it has the green color, and in all three there should be the sign of charkha. But on 14th of July 1947, means we can say 1 month ago of our independence, instead of charkha there should be the sign of the Ashok Chakra, which will be having 24 lines. So and means now I will say the meanings of the three colors. All can know, but then also I want to say, means I want to share. Means the orange color indicates the encouragement, and then white colors indicates the peace, and green colors indicates the trust. And nowadays we can the host the flag, means anywhere, means I am giving the examples of school. Means I am reading in school Vivekananda Kendriya Vidyalaya. So there in 26 January and in 15 August there must be there was the means the hosting of flag. But up to 2002 there was no this law was not there that no one could host the flag in school, in any institutions, but only the Prime Minister can host the flag in Lal Killa, means Red Fort. But in 2002 Navin Jindal means one was a very rich person. Today we are calling Mukesh Ambani like that. Navin Jindal, he appealed that all should have the right to host the Indian national flag. So from 2002 all can host the flag. So thank you for spending your very important time, and Happy Republic Day. And how the video was, please comment me on the comment section. Thank you and Jai Hind.